Hey, Ricky Benitez here from Luther Hudson Chevrolet, standing next to the all-new 2020 Silverado HD. This one is a Duramax 1-ton. We're gonna be going over some of the features today. So coming up with some of these new features, we have an easy assist step to help you into the rear of the vehicle. One of my favorite features here, we have power retractable mirrors, also power extendable, all new feature on our brand new 2020. Now available for 2020, we have the 6.6 liter Duramax paired with the all new Allison 10-speed transmission. Makes this the most capable, durable Chevrolet yet. Along with all those other features in the vehicle, you also get the large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Along with your 8-inch high-definition digital touchscreen, you also get high-definition surround vision, which makes maneuvering this big boy that much easier. Also available, high-definition rear-view camera mirror. Allows you to see 40% more of what's behind you. Thank you for going over all the features of this 2020 HD with me. Again, Ricky Benitez over here, Luther Hudson Chevrolet, located just south of 94 off of Crestview Drive. Feel free to come on in and take a test drive and check out all the features in real life.